Welcome back to Nicko's Kitchen, and here's how you make Ben & Jerry's chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream. Into a large saucepan over a medium heat, combine 2 cups of heavy cream with 2.5 cups of skim milk and 1/4 cup of superfine or caster sugar. Stir often for 5 to 7 minutes. While the cream mixture heats, into a large bowl add 2 egg yolks and 1/4 cup of superfine or caster sugar. Whisk well until the mixture becomes a light yellow and thickens. Now pour a small amount of the hot cream mix into the egg yolk and sugar. This will temper the egg mix and won't turn it into scrambled eggs. Pour a little more, twice more, and whisk well to further temper. Now add the tempered mix into the hot cream mix and whisk well. Return the saucepan to the heat and heat for 4 to 6 minutes or until it begins to bubble. Pour the ice cream base into a bowl or storage container and place in the freezer for 2 hours. While the base chills, make the chocolate chip cookie dough. Into a large bowl, add 3 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of superfine or caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk well for 2 minutes until well combined, then add 3/4 cup of plain flour. Mix again until it forms a dough, and finally mix in the 2 tablespoons of chopped milk chocolate chips. Form the dough into marble-sized balls with your hands, then press the balls slightly flatter. Place the dough chunks into the freezer for 1 hour. Now melt down 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, spread out thinly on a baking tray lined with baking paper, and place into the freezer to set. Once set, break apart into small pieces and leave in the fridge. When the ice cream base has cooled, place the mixture into an ice cream churner. Churn for 12 to 15 minutes or until your machine has thickened the ice cream to a soft serve consistency. At the last minute, add in your chocolate pieces and cookie dough balls. Mix for 1 minute, remove and place the mixture back into the freezer for 1 hour to harden slightly. Then scoop out and serve. One of the best sellers of ice cream, and now a bestseller that you can make at home. Now all we have to do is get stuck into this bad boy.